What you doing, Allie?
I am putting my cuckoo birds on. Cuckoo, cuckoo.
Putting your cuckoo birds in the tree?
Cuckoo. Yeah. Look inside the house, Allie. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. There's a cuckoo bird that wants inside. Look up here! Look up here! Whippoorwillow! 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 Hey, Allie! Hey, you! Look up here! Cuckoo bird.
Needle-nosed red-headed woodpecker, a blue-nosed yellow-striped dooselfink, an orange-crested bug-eyed fezziwig, a web-footed gargling pond twitter, trotter,
Got a little house here.
a beady-eyed long-billed mud skipper, and a wide-eyed hook-billed lollapalooza. These are just some of the cuckoo birds you can get. Or the humongous-billed caterwauling who's he what? The hot pink fire-plumed bird of paradise, which we definitely have in our cuckoo bird collection, the three-toed, three-feathered dufusina, the cackling, stubby-winged scallywag, and the rainbow-billed long-tailed cuckoo. And last of all but not least, ruby-colored, bad-tempered sapsucker. Oh yes, these are birds. They really do exist in the land of cuckoo birds. One more to open.